fear in maths. You have to find the path to overcome fear in maths. You will get success in that. To overcome fear in maths, you will get success in that.
Hello students, welcome to our channel Fearless Math Class. Today our chapter is Perimeter, Area and Volume. So first of all I will teach about perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter is nothing but the total length of the boundary of a plane closed figure is called its perimeter. So first of all we should learn about perimeter of a rectangle. So with this formula we will solve the sum of a perimeter. Now I am going to draw a rectangle P Q R S. So we know that in rectangular these opposite sides are same and these opposite sides are same. So this is called length and this is called breadth. Or length we can denote by L and breadth we can denote by B. So here perimeter of rectangular PQRS is PQ, this side I will take PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP. So PQ means length plus breadth again length and again we will write down breadth. Length means I already told we denoted it by L. So I will write it here L plus breadth means B, again one more L and again one more B. So here two L's are there and two breadth B are there. So we will write down it here 2L plus 2B. So 2 is common, so I will take 2 into L plus B. So the perimeter of rectangular formula is 2 into L plus B. So with this help of this formula we will do any kind of problem sums of perimeter. Now I will show you one problem sum, then you people can understand it properly. So here I took one rectangular whose length is 8 centimeter. Okay, I took its name A, B, C, D and this length is 8 centimeter. Again this is 8 and these two are 5 centimeter. So now perimeter of a rectangle ABCD equal to, we know that the formula is 2 into L plus B. So here 2 into L means 8 plus B means 5 centimeter. 2 into 13. So we got our result, that is 26 centimeter. So the perimeter of rectangular ABCD result is 26 centimeter. Now we will learn about the perimeter of square. So here also I will show you how we will find out the formula of square, perimeter of square. Okay. So I took here one square, its name is PQRS, and we know that all the 4 sides are same in square. Okay, so I took that side A. Okay, this side is A, again this side A, this and this, all sides are same. Okay, so perimeter of square PQRS is PQ plus QR, RS and SP. PQ means that is A, again A and A. So we got 4A. So we got our formula. So 4A is the perimeter of square. So with the help of this formula, I will show you one problem sums of how to find out the perimeter of a square. Here I took one problem sum, that perimeter of a square whose side is 10 centimeter. Let's see how we will do that. I took one square whose name is CDEF and all sides are same, and all sides are 10 centimeter. Okay, 10, 10 and 10, all are equal. So now perimeter of square CDEF equal to CDEF plus FC, and that is A plus A plus A plus A means 4A, and here 4 into A means that is 10. So we will write down here 10 centimeter, and we got our result, that is 40 centimeters. So here the perimeter of a square is 40 centimeter. So now I am going to end my class here. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get all the notification in future. Thank you. Have a nice day.